Hi everyone.
Hi.
Yeah, we are at Woodbine right now. Woodbine Beach. Lots of people. We we went to like Bluff Beach, but there was no parking spot for us, so
Yeah.
we came back to the Woodbine, and fortunately we found a spot for us
Yes, now we are walking to the beach,
to the beach.
and I hope you all enjoy our walking tour to the beach.
Yeah,
Okay.
check it out. Yeah, we have water.
Everything have a big line. You cannot just wait for the food or drink something outside. You have to bring your own food.
Yeah. If you don't want to wait, of course.
Yeah.
If you don't mind waiting, it's fine.
Yeah.
30 minutes, I guess.
Yeah. This guy gonna play the kind of
Yeah.
bouncing ball.
So many games that we never played.
Yeah.
And games here.
Oh, I saw people bring the boat over there.
Okay.
Yeah, we should have our own small boat so we can lay down on it. You see the police over there?
Oh, got parking enforcement.
Ah,
I can see on the west. On the west. Oh, this picture is good, huh?
yeah. This area they let you bring amplify.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah. Like yesterday we went to Morningside
Yeah,
Park.
you're not supposed to play.
Yeah. This is you can
You
drink the
might
water.
disturb people. But here, play as much as you can.
Yeah.
No problem.
You see the sand? It's almost equal with the surface of this
Yeah.
place.
It's to the level of the walking board. So it's easy, right?
Yeah.
Convenient.
So where we gonna go?
I never got scared of dogs, you know. But seems like many people mention about
Pitch bull?
pit bull. Then now when I see people, I'm kind of scared.
Oh, so cute. What is it? It's just like a small hut. Oh, they celebrate something. Should we get in?
Yeah.
I think we have to turn off, take off the shoe.
Yeah, now we can talk a little bit about the beach. You want to film about that
Yeah.
beach?
Yeah,
The beach.
yeah. We can talk the topic about the beach. How it like here, how people, how the lifestyle here when they come to the beach and what that we can see here.
ใจខ្មែរចឹង
អត់ទេចាំអានេះអូនថតនេះ
អូចឹង
ចាំទៅដល់នោះចាំយើងថត
យ៉ាងនេះថតនិយាយតិចទៅយើងនិយាយថានៅនេះសមុទ្រមានប៉ុន្តែឆ្ងាយហ្នឹងនិយាយថាទៅវិញ
Yeah
យើងជិះដល់កំពង់សោមងាយៗទេ
Yeah ឆ្នេរនេះធំហ្មងអញ្ចឹងទៅវាតែលាយ
សួរយើងថតឃើញនៅក្រោយជើងមក
Yeah បាទស្ទួ
មួយទឹកហត់ឡើងមកញ៉ាំភីហ្សា
អូឆ្ងាញ់ទៅដល់
មានណាល្អជាងយើងទៀតតែយកក្រាឡើងមកទៅលាយ
ទៅមុខតិចទៅនៅចិត្តទឹកស្រួលយើងមើលអីវ៉ាន់ពេលយើងចុះមួយទឹកយើងឃើញអីវ៉ាន់ Oh, finally. លោកពីរអ្នកនោះងើបទៅឡើងវានៅខ້ອຍអាប៉ែនេះជួបបរិយ Oh yeah we gonna stay here
Yeah till evening
Okay I go into the water a bit
Yeah
Oh, so cold. Wow.
Let me take a video.
Ooh. Here we are.
តែនេះជួបបរិយទៅឡើងផ្សេងកុំចេះឆ្ងល់ស្អុយបរិយពីណាមកចំយើងមកមកខាស់កបាត់ហើយ
Thế có hành luôn hả chả?
ទៅក្នុង
Ôi, khăn đá lợt sạch, đá phải trơn chú Lăng sạch
chưa
là sạch kia chứ Hôn năng tê như vậy Máy nó cao cái năng Mẹ nó chôm năng vâng rồi Cũng nó cao cái trôi bà rây thế là Mẹ nó chôm năng ở nè, nó nè hết Ah, baby. Nice, finally. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, man.
Huh?
Lay down flat on the back.
Phải nonton apa?
No, me entregué yo solo.
Police nó hàng nó comment nó hàng nó comment hai step plus được còn mày Oh, police! They're even coming out.
The fire trucks. Oh, so we can't go home that way.
I think so.
Cô này đưa mình đi cho nào đó.
Woodbine bathing station.
Yeah, after swimming, you're supposed to take a shower here.
มันเลยមកប៊ីចណាចឹងប៉ូលីសមកនឹងច្រើនដែរ
No fire trucks because something happened.
ហើយ
We are heading home right now. Oh, the water was so cold. I swam a little bit. And me just touched a little bit.
I cannot swim it's too cold for me
Yeah, it's too cold for her.
I only did sun bathing
Yeah,
that's it
that's it for today. And she like enjoy pizza a bit
yeah
and did some sunbathing. That's it. And for me, I swam a bit,
how the
but it was so cold. Yeah,
cold
it was so cold. Oh my goodness. It's not the right time to swim yet, but I enjoy it. It's just a bit cold.
Okay, thank you for watching.
Thank
See you later.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.